All right, so it's time to do a separate video on MicroStrategy because today MicroStrategy is having an excellent day. It's actually a breakout day. The day I've been predicting for some time now. If you watch my videos, and I suggest if you're new to the channel to go back and watch them because I've been calling this move for a while now, and today it's happening because right now MicroStrategy is up 13% today, right? That's $96. And you can see this is the weeklies. Over here I look at the weeklies and the monthlies. I don't look at the dailies too much because the weeklies can kind of, the longer the chart you get out of that all that chop, I don't want to see the chop. I just want to see the move, right? And the move is to the upside. So you can see it's breaking through major resistance right now. Look at that daily chart. And the reason why I have a lineup here because that is the MicroStrategy's all-time high, and I'm predicting this is where it goes, and I'm predicting that it's gonna go there with speed. All right, it's starting to get the speed, especially after today's breakout, and it is dependent on Bitcoin because MicroStrategy is no longer a business software intelligent type company. It's a Bitcoin holding company. Michael Saylor, the CEO, tells you that. He says that in the earning call. You're almost getting the software company for free. They buying Bitcoin. They got over $7 billion in Bitcoin on the balance sheet, and it's growing. As long as Bitcoin continues to go up, this will go up. Look at this is the minute chart. It's just straight up. This is really an unbelievable move. We're starting to have what we had over here in the beginning. So why is it moving up so fast? First of all, let's just see what Bitcoin is doing today. Wow, Bitcoin up 5% today, challenging the all-time high. And if you believe in Bitcoin, then you believe that the MicroStrategy stock is going to go much, much, much higher because MicroStrategy is Bitcoin on steroids. So if you want that Bitcoin leverage play without actually buying Bitcoin, then MicroStrategy is the stock for you. All right, so you can see MicroStrategy. Here's the all-time high in Bitcoin, 64. I actually thought it was 65. Wait a minute. Yeah, it is. The high is 65,520, and right now we at 64,560. Did we reach that today? No. So we got another 1,000 points for the all-time high. And I can tell you what, man. Once this breaks the all-time high, that's all you're gonna be hearing about. This will probably even start to rocket, and if this rockets, Bitcoin will start rocketing. So let's just go to the financials, the FinViz. You look at this a lot. You can see this is the dailies, right? And you can see that last candle right here with volume, and it's only 12 o'clock. Look at that big body green candle. You can see the breakout actually happening. And, now from some time now, most people that are in are making money, up $80 today. The reason why it's going to rocket so fast, I'll tell you about rocketing. Right? You're like, how's it going to get to 1,300 so fast? Because look at that short interest, man. These guys are going to get burnt. Right, because these are the non-believers in the whole thing, and MicroStrategy buying Bitcoin, and they stupid and whatever. But it doesn't matter because if Bitcoin goes high, these guys are geniuses. All right, so if Bitcoin catches a double, then they're gonna have what do they got? 7. They're gonna have 14 billion on the balance sheet, possibly even more, because these guys are gonna continue to buy Bitcoin under debt, under a stock arrangement. Right, selling the stock doesn't even matter. They tell you that, right? So here's the bonus that it's like a gift. It's like crazy showing this stock is so undervalued. Right now, MicroStrategy is trading at $815, right? That gives it a market cap of $7.2 billion. Well, I just told you they have that much in Bitcoin on the balance sheet right now. So what about the software company? It's like you're getting a software company for free, so or if this is valued, if this has the software company, if the value of the software company is $7 billion, then you're getting the $7 billion worth of Bitcoin for free. Bottom line is, it's not going to stay for free. This is going to have to equal 14 at one point or another. How is it going to equal 14? Well, the price is going to have to go up. And these guys, the 23% short interest guys right here, they are going to get burnt. They're going to have to close their position. And how they close their position, they have to buy the stock at any cost. And that's what's going on today, right? They're like, oh my gosh, it's $8.15. I got to close my position. I got to buy it. $80 higher. Right? And if they wait till tomorrow, it might be another $80 higher. Then you just get that short squeeze action. So once again, there is Bitcoin. here is MicroStrategy. It's been working for me, right? This is so far this year, my best play was Tesla on that last earnings move at Tesla. And let me tell you something about Tesla, even though this is a MicroStrategy stock, because something I noticed today. That's not Tesla. That's TLS. That's somebody trying to get Tesla's love. I didn't even know there's a TLSA stock. Look at Tesla. It might have reached a high temporarily. But what I noticed today is that the out of the money call options are still priced high, meaning they're even higher than they was yesterday, even though the stock is down $35. So people are still buying these calls way out. I guess they've seen the deal. Like, oh my gosh, it's down 36. And now they want to get in and buy them out of the money call because they know Tesla's going to 12, 13, whatever the hell it's going to. They believe it's going higher. And them out of the money calls are still priced higher than they was yesterday. So go figure that, right? So anyway, back to MicroStrategy. That's just something I noticed today. At least in the leaped action, because that's what I trade. All right, so here we are, MicroStrategy. I just think that we're going to start seeing a parabolic move up to this high, and actually even higher. It all just depends on how Bitcoin grows. Personally, I believe it's eventually going to go to 500,000 million. I think that. I'm on board, even higher. So this is just getting started, but it's really just getting started because the breakout is happening, and the short people, the people that are short the stock, are going to start closing a position because they see this. They see the breakout happen. Look, as I'm doing this video, it's up 14%, 103 now, right? So congratulations to the people that watch my videos because I've been talking about this since it was 600. All right, I've been talking all of this area right here. And you can see all my lines on my charting. Look at that right there. So, yeah, if they follow my videos, they might have made a trade. I don't know. But if you don't follow them, maybe you should. Maybe you should. I'm on Dre Trades Instagram, Dre Trades Twitter. Thanks for watching the video, man. See ya. Peace.